Welcome to Waterline Boats and Boatshed, Seattle. I'm Dave Carlson, the listing agent for this 1965 28-foot Grandy sedan with Flybridge. The Grandy yard was well known, early Seattle boat builder on Westlake Avenue, a fine builder of wooden boats using bronze fasteners, and this particular vessel is double planked, tight seam construction, and bronze fastened on oak frames. The surfaces on this vessel are just exquisite. The varnish is shiny, uh, the upholstery is fresh, the vessel is clean in every respect. The engine is very new, Mercruiser V8, approximately 600 hours on that engine, and it is shaft driven. A feature of this enormous V-berth is that are essentially a little settees on the aft end, so your guests can sit and visit with each other while in the V-berth. All of the major systems in this boat have been upgraded. The plumbing, the wiring, the heads, the sink, the engine. A main feature of this vessel is the enormous aft cockpit with this beautiful full enclosure. It appears to be absolutely brand new. We're going to open the engine hatch here and give you a view inside. Notice the attention to detail when we get there. There's the barbecue on the transom. That engine just gleams. We invite you to go to waterlineboats.com or Boatshed Seattle for many photos, full specifications, and a 360 virtual tour. Thank you for viewing this 28-foot Grandy Flybridge sedan.